Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with yet another video, and in this video I'm going to be checking out the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector for my iPhone 11 Pro. I've been using the iPhone 11 Pro for a long time now, and I wanted a really high quality screen protector, and the folks over at Whitestone were kind enough to send their best dome glass screen protector for us. So you know what, I'm going to be installing this on the iPhone 11 Pro, which is a bit of a long-winded process. So I'm going to show you guys what the installation process is like and how it feels on the iPhone 11 Pro itself. People say that this is possibly the best screen protector out there. I'm Ashar from Mr. Phone, and let's get this video started. But as usual, before we move on, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it to get notified whenever Mr. Phone puts out an awesome new tech video. Alright, so before we move on, let's just quickly unbox this and see what you get inside the box of this Whitestone Dome Glass. Alright, so here are all the things. I'll talk about them one by one, but before that, let's check what's inside this box that you get along with it as well. Alright. So obviously the unboxing experience is quite elaborate, and what you get inside the box is this, of course, handy installation guide, but you won't need this because you're watching this video and this will give you a clear idea of how to install the Whitestone Dome Glass on your iPhone 11 Pro or any iPhone that you buy this year. Alright, so I'll keep that aside. So this is looks like a mouse, but it is actually the UV light which will be used for installation process. Now let me take all the things one by one. Now this is a slide bar. All right, these are the adhesives inside these tiny capsules that you can see, so I'll keep that aside as well. Let me take out all the other things one by one inside this sleeve. So you have the dust remover sticker, okay, and you've got a swab which is an alcohol swab to sort of clean your display. These two things are actually what you install on the trace when you're installing the product itself. This is of course a microfiber cloth. A lot of people would actually know about it already, and a couple more swabs as well. Now, where is the screen protector? That's underneath this top tray. So yeah, so this is the top tray. Let me keep that aside. So this is your top tray, and this, my friends, is your actual screen guard. Generally, when you install a screen guard, on the road, or if you get like a regular screen guard, it's not this elaborate in process, which is why the Whitestone Dome Glass actually charges this kind of money, because it is pretty elaborate. And these are the stickers which will cover your speaker slits. Let me just keep that aside, and let's start with the entire installation process, so which will be on the tray itself. So these are all the things that you get inside the box. It's a lot of stuff. Let's start with the installation process. Alright, before we start by cleaning our phone, I want to tell you guys that the most important thing to do for you guys before you even start the entire process is to ensure that you're on a flat surface. So how do you test that easily is you take the adhesive bottle, you place that, and if it rolls down outside the table, that means that this is not a flat surface. So it's not rolling down, so this is definitely a flat surface. Let's start with the cleaning process. Okay, so let's start with the cleaning process of the phone. So just take your iPhone 11 Pro and place that on the flat surface. After that, take one of these alcohol swabs. Let me just remove it out and clean the phone. You know what? I know I review phones for a living, but now I feel like a glorified screen installation man. Well, things I do for you guys. Please show the love and support by liking and commenting on this video, of course. So this is the alcohol swab. So I just need to once you've done with the cleaning of the display itself, all you need to do is take the microfiber cloth and so ensure that you buy a screen protector as soon as you get the phone. So all of the scratch proof solutions on top of displays of smartphones are not entirely scratch proof. Like even if you're looking at Corning's Gorilla Glass 6 or whatever it is, they're not entirely scratch proof. You need to install a screen guard in case you want to keep your display pristine. So once we've done with the cleaning with the microfiber cloth, what you need to do is take one of these dust remover stickers, and this is just to ensure that no specks of dust are left on the display. So just keep it very, very clean. place the iPhone in the apparatus, the top and the bottom layers both. You need to cover your speaker so that the adhesive doesn't run down into your iPhone itself. So you need to take one of these strips and place it just so. After this step, you take both the absorption pads and place it at the side of the whole apparatus, primarily because this will again ensure that the adhesive doesn't strip on, the adhesive doesn't flow on to the sides of the display. So there you go. So you've placed the absorption pads as well. So this is one half of the setup, and we'll go through the next one. After this, I'd suggest that you use the alcohol swab and once again clean this. All right. And once that is done, just take the microfiber cloth and clean this once again. And for one last time, just take that same dust removal sticker and sort of dab out all the dust that is there on the display itself. There you go. Now, the next step involves you taking the bridge through which you will be pouring the liquid. So you place the bridge on like this. All right. So now you take the adhesive tube, and as you can see, there is a colored cap over here and a black cap over here. So essentially what you need to do is open the colored cap. Don't worry, it won't spill any adhesive onto the display right now. So do that slowly. It's a little tight right now. All right, that's done. And you place it on the display like this. All right, so after this process, what you need to do is open the black cover on top slowly to ensure that the adhesive falls on the display. And of course, like I mentioned before, it has to be a flat surface. If it's not a flat surface, the adhesive will roll down the display. Now, considering this is a flat surface, entirely opened up, and you can see that the adhesive is lying flat on the iPhone right now, and you have to keep it open for a bit so that all of the adhesive actually falls down on the display itself. Okay, so now once all the liquid has fallen, just take it out. All right, and then place it aside. Now, once you're done with the adhesive falling on the display, you need to set your screen guard in place. You can see that there's a pull-out tab, so do clear that carefully without touching on the top of the display, on the top of the display. All right. Now, once you've removed that carefully, now that you've placed the screen protector and put the other end of the screen protector on top of that blue tab, which is very essential, don't let it fall on the adhesive just yet. Take this slide bar and place it on this side of the entire apparatus. All right, place it at 45-degree angle and slowly slide it onto the adhesive so that it falls on it and spreads across the display. Wait for the adhesive to reach out to the ends of all of the display. So now that the installation is done, you need to use the UV ray to actually cure the top and the bottom portion, for 15 seconds each, to ensure that the adhesive sticks to the screen very cleanly without any issues. And at this point, if there is any issue with the adhesive flowing to all the parts of the display, this is where you can actually remove the phone and go through the whole process again with the extra screen guard that you get inside the box. Okay, so now what you need to do is actually use the UV light to cure the screen guard itself. So all you need to do is place the UV light at the bottom and the top once each for 15 seconds. All right, so we're done with the curing process, and now the phone is ready to be used with your brand new swanking screen protector. All right, so the screen protector is on. Now what you need to do is actually take the microfiber cloth and ensure that you clean off all the extra adhesives that are there on the sides. Now that my swanky new screen protector has been installed, let me switch on the phone and show you guys how that looks. It doesn't feel much different from the actual touch response on the iPhone 11 Pro's regular screen. So that's really well done, Whitestone, and it's definitely one of the best screen guards out there that you can buy in the market right now. Not much of a difference. The touch response is excellent as well, and lovely. That looks really nice. So my iPhone has a new awesome accessory on, so I'm pretty happy. Plus, one of the things that you need to note is that there's currently a sale going on the Whitestone website itself, where there is a massive discount on the dome screen glass. So essentially it's going for $35, which is around 2,700 rupees. So it's much lower than the price that we've been seeing of the Whitestone dome glass for a long time, which was around 4,000 rupees, 4,500 rupees. So now it's come down to around 2,700 odd, which will come to like around 3,000 including shipping as well. So go check that out. This is pretty awesome. This is the Whitestone dome glass on my iPhone 11 Pro right now. Of course, you get the dome glass for a wide variety of smartphones, so definitely go check them out. This is by far the best screen protector that you can buy in the market right now. So that's it from me. I'm Ashar from Mr. Phone. Do let me know in the comment section below what you thought about the Whitestone dome glass installation. Until next time, goodbye and Godspeed, my friends.
Oh, fuck.